So, in this session, I would like to tell you the issue for no amount tolerance group entered for company code RE51. Okay. So, there might be issue with the tolerance configuration. Let me replicate this issue in the system and then I'll check it. F-02. I'll take the document date, today's date. Company code is RE51. I'll take the rent account, amount, some amount. I'll give the cost center. Okay. Now, there is error that no amount tolerance entered for company code RE51. So when you get any error like this, what you have to do, first you have to double click on the error and you can read the complete information about the error. And sometimes SAP will give you the link to resolve the error. So double click on this link and this is taking you to the defined tolerance group for employees. So what is the problem? So in the class, I told you okay, let me go to the position RE51, enter. In class, I told you to keep this group as blank. But what you have done, you have entered this group also as RE51. If you are giving this group RE51, then this RE51 should be assigned to the user ID also. So since we are not assigning this to our user ID, I said you to keep it blank. So please delete this completely. I'll delete this completely. I will save it. Next, I'll go to new entries. Now group will be blank. Company code RE51. Maximum 13 digits. Okay. That means what he has done, he has even created blank and then he has created. Okay, wait 1 minute. So now what is the issue? I'll just go back. So it is not allowing me to create a group in blank because it is already created. So let me check whether it is created or not. RE51. RE51. Yeah, it is created, but amount was not entered correctly. Now what I will do, I'll try to give the amount per document. Maximum you can enter. So just decrease one digit. Cash discount, maximum 1% or 2%. Save. Now the issue has been resolved. I'll go back. F-02. I'll try to do the transaction. Amount. Cost center. Now there is no issue. Earlier when I came here by pressing enter button, I was getting error. Now the error has been totally resolved. Okay. So this is the issue.